Hey guys, this is Tamid and welcome to my channel Presentation School. Today I show you PowerPoint presentation about Porter's 5 forces, and after watching this presentation you can download the whole scripts and template which you can use your next presentation. So let's get started. Porter's 5 forces framework is a method for analyzing competition of a business. It draws from industrial organization economics to derive 5 forces that determine the competitive intensity and therefore the attractiveness of an industry in terms of profitability. Porter's 5 forces are competitive rivalry, supplier power, buyer power, threat of substitution, threat of new entry. Now we look at how they can impact on companies' long-term profitability. Competitive rivalry. This looks at the number and strength of your competitors. How many rivals do you have, who are they, and how does the quality of their products and services compare with yours? Where rivalry is intense, companies can attract customers with aggressive price cuts and high-impact marketing campaigns. Also, in markets with lots of rivals, your suppliers and buyers can go elsewhere if they feel they are not getting a good deal from you. On the other hand, where competitive rivalry is minimal and no one else is doing what you do, then you will likely have tremendous strength and healthy profits. Supplier power. This is determined by how easy it is for your suppliers to increase their prices. How many potential suppliers do you have? How unique is the product or service that they provide, and how expensive would it be to switch from one supplier to another? The more you have to choose from, the easier it will be to switch to a cheaper alternative. But the fewer suppliers there are, and the more you need their help, the stronger their position and their ability to charge you more. That can impact your profit. Buyer power. Here you ask yourself how easy it is for buyers to drive your prices down. How many buyers are there and how big are their orders? How much would it cost them to switch from your products and services to those of a rival? Are your buyers strong enough to dictate terms to you? When you deal with only a few savvy customers, they have more power. But your power increases if you have many customers. Threat of substitution. This refers to the likelihood of your customers finding a different way of doing what you do. For example, if you supply a unique software product that automates an important process, people may substitute it by doing their process manually or by outsourcing it. A substitution that is easy and cheap to make can weaken your position and threaten your profitability. Threat of new entry. Your position can be affected by people's ability to enter your market. So think about how easily this could be done and how easy is it to get a foothold in your industry or market. How much would it cost and how tightly is your sector regulated? If it takes little money and effort to enter your market and compete effectively, or if you have little protection for your key technologies, then rivals can quickly enter your market and weaken your position. If you have strong and durable barriers to entry, then you can preserve a favorable position and take fair advantage of it. And finally, in conclusion, you can say that once you have completed the 5 forces analysis, you will be able to see clearly where you are at risk so that you can overcome any obstacles. And if you are thinking about entering a new market, you can see immediately how profitable you are likely to be. So this is all for this video, and in our next video I will present you another topic, and here I am providing you PowerPoint slides and presentation scripts for free of any cost. So I am asking for your kind support, and I have provided the download link in the description of this presentation. If you have enjoyed this presentation, make sure you give a like for this video, and for new videos make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell button so that you get a notification when I upload a new video. So thank you for tuning in, and I wish you all the very best in your journey to becoming a presentation expert. Have a nice day.